Parents, this is just a quick video to show you how to use Get Epic or Epic Books. So in the corner on their website, once you've gone to getepic.com, is a little box where it says login. If you've already answered the email, you may have set up your child's login yourself. If you haven't, another way to do it, if you just click on Students and Educators, you can put in our class code. And the class code is HJI6182. Press go. And then what will come up is all of our students' little avatars. You're going to find your students. I'm just going to pick one student. I'll do this student. And you can see what pops up first is books that I've assigned. I've already assigned the students books that go with all their journal entries for the next month. If you go to their mailbox, you can see books for every animal, and you can just kind of scroll down. On the bottom, it should start day one's books for polar bears and then Arctic foxes, and it just keeps going. If you just want to read for fun or to explore, there's all kinds of things here. One way you can do it, if you want to level the books for your child, they do have them by level, starting with beginning level, very beginning, and then it just increases in difficulty if you scroll down. If you click that AR button, you can select books that read to your child so that you don't have to sit there and help. All of these books that have the little read to me, they can click on and it will read to them. There's also learning videos on here, or books that go with different topics, and there's audiobooks. Of course, your child can also search if they have a favorite thing that they want to learn about, maybe unicorns. If you just click on there, all the things for unicorns will pop up, all the books that deal with unicorns, and then also videos and audiobooks. So that's just a quick introduction on how to use Epic Books. I hope that helps. Have a great day.